Hey guys, TJ from OG Racing. Liv is here, and we're gonna pimp her helmet. We're gonna pimp it out with all sorts of pretty pink and purple.
So this handy dandy tool that comes in your helmet box when you buy a helmet is specifically for your pivot kits. Okay, and then lefty loosey, righty tighty. I do recall we're supposed to be pretty gentle with these.
You are. If it pulls a thread or strips a thread, your helmet is trash.
Now I have a spool spare shield.
So if you grab that corner and pull your inner tear off. Yep.
Look at that.
The easiest way for these is to start the larger pivots first and then lock in the slide lock.
Your handy dandy tool. How dope does that look?
It does. What all these are, when you get a pivot kit, it comes with these little felt. That's not really felt. It's like a hard plastic piece. And what that is, it's a slider so that your helmet isn't running right against the fiberglass, and it's giving a little space so that it has room to move. So since all these are in great condition because it's a new helmet, we're going to leave all of these in our helmet bag for just in case we need them for spares in the future. So we're just going to reuse the ones that we pulled off.
Awesome. It needs to be in that groove.
Yep. Let's get these locked down. So these, the big one, we're going to go ahead and go fairly tight. And that looks good. And do the other one.
Not the anchor.
Looks good. All right, so the
That
slide.
looks so good.
So this is going to be a personal preference then. How tight do you want this to be? Right now it's pretty good. I would go a little tighter though, because it will fall down when it starts to vibrate. So the tighter you make these, the more resistance your shield will have.
There's no reason to be racing with your shield up.
Good.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that is so awesome.
Pimp My Helmet, Libby edition. T-Zip in the house. Zip it. So what do you think, Liv? You got a new Pimp helmet?
I dig it.
You said you wanted pink, so we got you pink. And now, you've been pimped.